how good he is. He is the best. Hour and a half car ride. Just being a boy, lounging, taking his nap. He would be the best road trip buddy. You make me want to road trip again, Puppy-Doo. We're just on our way back from his checkup, from his eye surgery, and they said everything looked good. They took out the collagen shields, which is like a contact lens. He doesn't like when I talk too much. Yeah, he's getting all squirmy. So now we're just I made an appointment with his regular vet tomorrow. We are going to check out his blood work. Also see what's going on with his allergies, with his skin, because that's been acting up. I do believe a lot of it was from wearing his original all-plastic e-collar. This one obviously still has plastic panels, alternating with the material. So he still is like kind of itchy, but not as bad. He was having a severe reaction with the all-plastic one. That was really, really concerning, actually. But doing good. He's a good boy. And they actually brought him back to the car because it's curbside service. They brought him back to the car without the collar on and said, his eye's good. He doesn't need to wear the collar anymore. But as soon as we shut the door and we're getting ready to head back home, he was just going to town, just itching on the kind of scabby, inflamed area around his chin. Oh, stop talking. Hold on. So I put the cone back on. I put the cone back on until we get this itching situation figured out, because he will just scratch himself raw. And look, he doesn't mind it. He surrenders to it. So yeah, that's our little update. I'm going to end this now so he can rest peacefully without hearing my voice. Say bye, honey. Just had to share. This guy, he migrated to one of his second favorite positions, surfing, up there between the seats. How you doing, Puppy-Doo? As soon as we get off the interstate, he's like, I'm gonna go up here. He enjoys that. We're home, honey. You want me to come get you? Puppy, you want to go in the house? Baby, you are beat. All right, let's go inside. Say bye.